Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to always display scroll bars in Windows 11. If you often work with long documents, web pages, or applications, having scroll bars always visible can make navigation much easier and improve your workflow. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look for Accessibility in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. After that, click on Visual Effects. Finally, locate the option called Always Show Scroll Bars and turn it on. Once you enable this setting, scroll bars will remain visible in all supported apps and windows, making it easier to scroll through content without having to hover over the edge of the screen. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.